the port of Rotterdam plays a key role in the Dutch economy. Its only other competitor in the Netherlands is the port of Amsterdam. The two handle goods amounting to 550 million tons every year. The Port of Rotterdam Authority manages this port, and the facility is jointly owned by the state and the municipality of Rotterdam. Rotterdam handles both dry and liquid cargo, and this cargo is mostly transported in containers. The port has 5 oil refineries that process crude oil, which is then sent to the rest of Europe. There are 45 other chemical companies situated in Rotterdam.
The port of Rotterdam is the biggest and busiest in Europe. Vessel traffic is a very common thing here. Port authorities estimate that in 2014 alone, more than 16 million containers are going to be offloaded here in Rotterdam.
The 16 million containers expected to go through Rotterdam this year come from thousands of locations all over the world, including Uganda, which mainly exports coffee to Europe. Lying on the banks of the New Maas River, the port of Rotterdam has a long, rich history, going as far back as the mid-14th century when Rotterdam was a small town. Its connection with the North Sea was poor, but in the late 19th century, a canal was dug to improve on the connection. The depth of the canal is such that all types of vessels can sail through it. High-level technology is used to handle cargo at the port. Thousands of containers are loaded or offloaded using automatic robotic cranes and computer-controlled chariots operated by highly trained personnel. STC Netherlands Maritime University is one of the institutions that train cargo handlers and ship captains. A cargo handler is given tasks on a simulator like this one until they perfect their skills. The same applies to ship captains. Simulation exercises are routine. STC also trains people in cargo shipping and logistics so as to make the chain of cargo movement complete. From the time a container is loaded en route to Rotterdam, then to the rest of Europe, a client is sure of professional handling. Oil, building materials, agricultural produce, minerals, steel, coal, wood and coffee are some of the bulk handled at the port of Rotterdam. Rotterdam is also among the major tourist cities in the Netherlands. The key attractions include its impressive skyline and imposing buildings like the N Hotel, the main office of the Port of Rotterdam, and the former head office of the Holland-American Line, a cruise line that took thousands of Dutch citizens to the US in the 19th and 20th centuries. Many other historical and modern-day structures continue to draw tourists to this quiet, yet economically vibrant city in the west of the Netherlands. Frank Walisimbi, NTV.